Hi, I'm Mike Parzych, Product Marketing Manager at Norgren. We're here at PAC Expo 2023 in Las Vegas. This is our connected circuit demo, which features all the latest connected IO-Link products from Norgren, from air preparation, valve manifolds, sensors and switches, our NFPA cylinder with M50 switch, and our IO-Link master. With IO-Link, it's a cost-effective way of getting insights into how your machine's operating to help optimize productivity and help reduce machine downtime. So this is, again, just a basic pneumatic circuit, and with each one of these components here, we're getting data out of them and shown here on this HMI display. And we can run through a scenario, a real-life scenario that you might encounter on the shop floor, and how that IO-Link can be used. So we've got cycle count from the actuator switch. We've got voltage from the IO-Link master and the valve. We've got valve pressure from the sensors here. We've got system pressure from the air preparation unit. We've got extend and retract from the actuator switches. We've got temperature. So again, multiple data points that you can leverage in your production. And here we're going to introduce a pressure drop to simulate a leak or something clogged in the line. We're going to drop the pressure down, and as you can see here on the HMI, the pressure reading went from black to red, signifying there's something wrong. But the system overall seems to be operating fine, so let's keep an eye on it and then monitor. I'm going to drop the pressure down a little further, and the pressure goes down even more. And now it's not enough pressure to complete the stroke, and we get a system fault, and that's signaled from the M50 switch here, basically saying we didn't get a full stroke. So this requires immediate attention. IO-Link is just a cost-effective, easy way to get some more insights out of your pneumatic components to optimize productivity and reduce downtime. So connect with Norgren while we're here at PAC Expo or at norgren.com moving forward. Thank you.